Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this video is regarding ticker symbol GFAI, and if you're following this particular stock, you know it had an awesome day from the market open from $8. It went all the way towards $21, which is like 155% move. And if you're part of my community, then you know how we played it because our entry was around, you can see that, around $8, and it was given today pre-market 918. So it was an awesome play. I'm going to talk about it, and it might move even more because it is looking really nice. And it moved a lot, 155%. Not only that, we also played ticker symbol PBAI from our support 2.3 all the way here, 35%. FRGT from our support, 43% move. NOGN 72% move. And if you want, you can just pause. You can see like what was my deep entry suggested and how they moved. But end of the day, the big story is the big gains we nailed today with option and stop. And if you want to be part of my community, want to get this kind of entry alert and trade ideas, just go to the link in the first comment, the patreon.com/stock analyst. You can go there and sign up so that you can join my community. First of all, if you look GFAI, the volume was 37 million compared to average volume of 2 million. So 18 times more volume came today. And if you go to Finviz, you can see that the float is only 1.18 million and the volume was 37 million. When the float is that small and such a big volume comes, these things should move. That's the only thing, right? You can see that there was no volume at all, and suddenly all volume came today. Very exciting. Yes, the short interest not that high, 5.8%, utilization not very high, but when a low float stock moves with that high short interest, then it is supposed to go up a lot. Okay, now let's talk about it. So how we plan today? In the morning, pre-market, and not only pre-market, like we have a next day watch list, and we talked about it before. I'm not going there, but in the pre-market, how we played, you can see. Let me show you how we planned it so that you can also plan by yourself if you are not joining my community. I'm just giving you how to do that. So GFAI, the price was around 8.5. Our deep entry was $8. Our profit 3. Our last target was 17.4. Yes, it went to 18 and 20, but from 8 to 18, that's a lot. So if you look pre-market, you can see a few things here that it actually moved the previous day from $4. It went to 9.8, then came down. It was holding around 8.6. Then we found some area around $8. And why $8? See it very clearly why we said $8, right? It was some kind of support here. So once the market opened, it came around 8.2, $8 area, went up, went to 9.8. If you're part of my YouTube or Twitter or even Discord, you know when it was 9.8, I was saying like it will go up. If it breaks, it will go up, and you can go and check, right? So it came to 9.8, came down around 8.8. Again, it did a nice move. It broke everything, went all the way towards like $18, came down, and see from where it bounced around 13.5. These areas, some kind of resistance before. So the previous resistance became the new support. It was holding. At the same time, it was making lower high. You can say bull flag, right? Then suddenly it broke again from 13.5. Even some people played this particular area for 24% gain, right? Came down and finally it pushed again, right? It broke, went all the way to 20, and it is moving around. So this is the line 17, 18. That was our profit 3, but we went towards 20. Yes, now if it can go over 20, I see it can go even 23, 26, who knows, even more. But the important thing is it is making a support around 16.5 to 17 area. So the resistance is becoming the new support. That is really nice. If it can hold, it can push again, and if it can break 20, it can go up. So if you're planning to enter, look for an entry around 16.5, then 13.5. These are the areas you are looking at. If you see this is going up, if it breaks 20, then go inside, make some money. So look at the chart, it is looking really nice. They did a split, it was a penny stock, they did a split 1:40. Now the float is 40 times less, and now this is looking really hot. So 26, then I see 35, it can run a lot. And we have been talking about GFAI, right? I'm gonna talk more about some other things, but when I see, like, since the morning actually we are talking, right? You can see all my posts on GFAI, like many people, we are all talking about GFI. And yeah, we will just talk about it again pre-market tomorrow. And that's why I want to say, like, if you like day trading, then please join our community. I hope you can spend 15 to 20 per month and just 50 cents a day. Join there and get some exciting trade ideas, alert for stock and option, and we can make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.